What we are trying to portray here is the evil of the illegal activities that had been perpetrated in our country.
Yes, Your Honor.
And it was not done by the Filipinos. It was done by other foreigners in cahoots with Filipinos.
Okay.
Diba? So, show mo sa amin yung mga videos
Yes, sir.
that medyo ako nung napanood ko medyo talagang offending sa atin eh.
Opo.
Binabastos sila ang ating gobyerno. We just have to finish yung videos. Lima na lang ata yun. I just wanted to present the evil of these illegal activities that was perpetrated. Ano? Isa pala yung nakita natin eh. What this what this chairman this representation wanted is ma-establish lang muna natin yung evil nung ginawang illegal activity na yon. At basically we need to see this, no?
May we request, because some of us here do not have a low tolerance of, watching all of these tortures, especially women. May we request, Mr. Chair, that we don't no longer show these videos. Remember, we are live streaming on YouTube, and there are kids who may view these videos.
Yeah,
Kaya nga,
okay.
So can we request to
The very reason that
testimony
we,
and stories
Alright.
is enough?
Yes, we will do that. Congressman Richard Gomez. Actually, that is the last already, no? Okay, so Congressman Gomez, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Gruesome as it may be to show these videos, Mr. Chair, but it is very important for everyone to see what is happening inside the Pogo. Kasi mahirap yung nagkikwentuhan lang tayo eh. Minsan nakakatulog tayo ba nagkikwentuhan. But if people are seeing what is happening inside these Pogo hubs, then you feel the pain, you feel the torture, you feel the illegal activities that are happening inside, and then people are having an understanding. Ano bang ginagawa ng mga ahensya natin sa gobyerno? What are the LGUs doing? What are the PNP people doing? What is the BID doing? What are the accomplishments of the PA, the PAOK agency? All of this, Mr. Chair, that is why, sad as it may seem, pero dapat makita talaga ng tao. But I agree na ang dami nang nakita, then maybe we can already put a stop to this, but actually, we have to understand, Mr. Chair, na itong Pogo na to is really hurting our society. It is corrupting our government. It has become a bedrock of corruption.
Actually, a while ago, I was telling this body that we're going to show it. Not only because the direction of the speaker is to have a comprehensive investigation. And when members of the committee, specifically the Committee on Public Order, I asked if we're going to show the video. Precisely the very essence of the motu proprio is to investigate the illegal activities. And I must agree with Congressman Gomez na mabigat man po yung mga eksena, but we have to tell to the Filipino people and to the international community that this country, this government is doing something on their countrymen, especially yung mga Chinese, mga Burmese, Myanmar, lahat, whatever. Meron pong aksyon ginagawa ang ating bansa. And rightly also, Congressman Alonto, siguro we have shown already a lot, no? Siguro we stop on that, no? Meron naman tayo napakita ng mga almost 5 videos. But I have seen a lot of videos. I have seen. Others you cannot take anymore. Especially the abuse on the sexual torture. There was a sexual torture, man-to-man, pinaparusahan yung hindi sumusunod doon sa kanilang pinag-uutos.